Alright, so this is either gonna be really fun or incredibly stupid, but let's do it. So when I was younger, I used to have freckles, mostly in summer because of the sun, I don't know, but over the years they've faded and I have none. Yeah, I have none. So what I want to do today is create freckles. What I'm going to use for that is my honey bronze from the Body Shop. This is 100% vegetarian, formulated without petrolatum. I cannot say that word. A mineral oil enriched with community trade honey suitable for sensitive skin. They are forever against animal testing, which is freaking amazing.
Instant body perfector, even skin tone, conceals imperfections. Natural looking tan, 24-hour moisturization.
I cannot talk. You know what I mean, right? If I fuck up, I have a save, because I can just wash my face and then we're over and we're never going to talk about it again. So I have two things that I want to try out to create these freckles. The first one is this makeup brush that was supposed to be like this one, but the fluffy part broke off. So yeah, now it's just a pointy, not so pointy triangle. And a cotton swab without the cotton. Yeah, I literally opened this once and tried it on my full body, and I'm a messy person, but yeah. Alright, I want to squirt just a little bit onto the top. And I just want to start with this pointy thing. I just hope I don't go over the top and do it too much. Oh, this works pretty cute. I don't even know if you can see it. Oh god.
Oh man. Oh, okay.
And then she went quiet because focus. So how are you doing? I hope everyone is safe and well and staying home as much as possible and just trying to make the best out of this horrible situation. I know I am, otherwise I wouldn't put fake freckles on my face. Okay, so this works pretty well. So if you have a thing like this, you can use that. I highly recommend because it looks pretty decent. Now I want to go with the Q-tip and just see whatever that's gonna create. Oh yeah, they're definitely bigger. So I'm just gonna go and stick with this thing that just, I don't know, works best for me. And I'm just gonna go over everything and nothing and just live my best life. A bit on the forehead. I'm doing it. There's no going back now. So I saw some people also like go over their finger and then they're stuck on their finger and then just tapping. Was that the best idea? Probably not. So freckles are never perfect, so I'm not even gonna try to make it perfect. I just want to get a cute blend, and I'm probably going way too overboard with this. I should stop. This is it. I should stop. I should just, okay. Are you gonna stop me from making more freckles? Yes? Are you gonna stop me? You don't want more freckles? No? Alright, it's been half an hour-ish. It has dried pretty much, so I kind of want to see if I can make it lighter. So maybe if I tap with my finger, that I can make it more fade in or something. I don't know. As you can tell, I have no clue what I'm doing, as usual. This is a really great distraction from life right now. Forget for a second what the hell is going outside and in the rest of my life. So only a few more weeks and then I'm officially jobless again. So that's great. So if you want to support me, make sure I can still pay my bills, then feel free to watch a few videos of mine to play those ads. Okay, I kind of feel like it's working, but also not. Since my finger is kind of working, kind of not working, I want to go over it with my beauty blender. Oh, but it's working. Alright, so they're way more subtle and some have completely disappeared. I don't know what that's about, but it is what it is. The only thing left to do is cover up my pimples and then I can go out and enjoy my life. I don't know, I think this is really cute. I also have self-tanner that I've never used before, but I'm kind of curious how that would work because that lasts up to like a couple washes. So I just wanted to try it out with wash off stuff, so I knew if I didn't like it, I would never do it again instead of being stuck with it for like a week. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for spending some time with me, and I really hope you enjoyed my video. I don't know what else to call it. I don't know what else to call it. It's just a way of spending the time. So thank you so much for spending time with me. I really appreciate it. I love you and I hope to see you next time. Bye!